2019, and I think we won that year. Now for us it's more about having fun, racing, the trainings, and yeah, usually you get to race in beautiful places.
I've always just enjoyed dragon boating and steering dragon boats and paddling dragon boats, and this was just a really nice opportunity to come paddle somewhere where dragon boating originated.
We knew about the culture, but it's very special to really be part of it now and to really experience the traditional Chinese dragon boat culture. I personally tried